Isa sa mga naunang inns na itinayo rito sa Basco, ang Shanedel's Inn, na kalaunan ay naging Shanedel's Inn and Restaurant. Marami ang nag-e-enjoy ditong kumain, lalo na't may overlooking view ng dagat. Take note, wala silang set menu, pero pwede silang magluto ng classic Ivatan dishes gaya ng marida, roast Ivatan beef, and pako salad. Basta magsabi lang sa kanila in advance. Kung gusto mong subukan ng Shanedel's, napakadali lang hanapin. Matatagpuan sa Commercial Road ng Abad Street, corner National Road. Ilang minuto lang ito mula sa provincial capital ng Batan.
Yeah! Shanedel's! I'm so hungry! Go for it!
Finally!
Look at this. Ito ang tawag nila dito ay mayasang. Pero ang tawag nila dito locally, red lips.
Ooh,
Kasi lagi daw naka-lipstick ang kanyang labi.
Red lip.
Daw naka-lipstick ang kanyang labi.
Red lip.
Ito, very Ivatan. Yung marita. Bohol, that's pako, lobster. Diba? Sorry ha, titirahin ko na itong lobster, baka tirahin na iba. Yun!
Wow, ang laki.
Kaya mo yung ubusin, ha?
Tama, magkakamay na nga ako eh.
Nung kumain ako ng ganyan sa, Kabulacan, you take the shell and then...
Ganon?
Ibusin mo siyang ganon.
Hindi pa kami nakain. Nakakagana yung setting natin, no? Nasa tabing dagat tayo.
Look at that.
Diyan lang yung dagat.
Kanina we were blessed with about around 5 minutes of sun.
Sa amin kasi kinilaw to eh, pero inadobo nila to, no? So, subukan nga natin yan. Normally, hindi ko to sinusubukan. Medyo exotic siya na food, di ba?
Para sa'yo?
Para sa akin, exotic tong food na to. Tsaka, mahal to sa ibang bansa.
Let's try the potatoes.
In the Philippines, you have to use your hands. Yeah, it's make sure they're clean though. Go for it.
Like that. And then the rice. And then you take it like this. You grab it that way.
Grab it?
And then you use your thumb
Yeah.
to push it inside your...
Yeah, grab.
Congratulations! Sa pagkamay natin siya.
Congratulations! You're Filipino now.
My first time used my finger. Yeah, it's the rice.
Dun sa may ulong part ng lobster, kahit konti lang yung laman niya, sobrang ang malasa.
Ang laki ng lobster dito, no?
Na, very big.
Wow!
Enjoyin nyo na ng husto ang lobster na yan. Ang mahal niyan sa Maynila. Uy!
For a per set meal, you can avail of 2 dishes and then rice and a dessert with vegetables. Around 300 pesos to 400. It is 400 pesos with lobster.
It's good, huh?
Importanteng malaman na by appointment lang ang Shanedel's, kaya dapat na magpa-reserve bago pumunta sa restaurant para ma-experience mo na ang kanilang scrumptious Ivatan dishes. Oh, Donalyn, ano na naman ng bagong lesson na ituturo mo sa ating kaibigang si Xiao, Aber?
Yeah, you have to use it like that.
Very nice.
Hukay, hukay, hukay. You have to make hukay like that. So you can get some more.
Very good.
Galing.
That's how we do it here.
Galing
Very
mo.
good,
Nice.
baby girl.
You know how to say delicious in Tagalog?
I don't speak.
That's one word, masarap.
Masarap.
Yeah, if you say that to the chef, you're gonna make the chef so happy.
Ah.
So why don't you say it?
Masarap.
Masarap. Say it to the camera.
Masarap.
Mayroon pa tayong pupuntang isa pang restaurant, ang J. Mac Maze. Bawal ang mabusog. You're not allowed to get full, ha? You can get full of yourself, but do not be full. Magbabalik natin. Okay.